Good morning, everyone. Treasure Troller here from the mask-wearing militant state of Michigan. So as promised, from last week's vlog, I was going to bring you a lawsuit that was filed on behalf of Donald Trump in the U.S. District Court, the U.S. District Court, the Northern District of New York. And it is against the current Attorney General Letitta James. I think that's how she pronounces it. It's seeking declaratory and injunctive relief. It's a civil case, so I guess they just kind of pretty much wanted to shut her mouth. And probably, stop the prosecutions as well. Now, I want to say something before I start this. This is not going to be a look what they're doing to Donald Trump vlog. This has to do with Donald Trump, but I think it's more along the lines of, do you think that anyone could get a fair shake from this Attorney General if your political beliefs or don't align with hers, or she just basically doesn't find you, she finds you a reprobate? Do you think that you can go into a court in New York under her supervision and get a fair shake? So I know I have to apologize once again. This is going to be a couple of parts because I cannot do it in one. You'll not stick around, and I don't want to talk for that long. So the first thing is they're talking about no one is above the law, and you're supposed to be impartial, and it shouldn't be self-serving or serving your own interests. Second thing is prosecutors' duty is not to win a case, but to see that justice is done. It's not motivated politically, or basically for the law should not be used for fishing expeditions, for political or self. So here we go with some of them. For years, flagrantly abused her investigatory powers to target her political advocates and advance her own career. Many subpoenas filed against Trump, his family, and the Trump Organization. She, according to her words, has served Donald Trump 76 times. Her motive was to harass and intimidate her political opponent, also people in what she considered Trump's orbit. Continues to spend taxpayers' money chasing Donald Trump and using her legal resources against him, instead of going after real criminals. Yeah, that's, who's to say, right? Prior to the inauguration of Donald Trump, was tweeting about sit-in protests against Jeff Sessions as his Attorney General. And something, as it turned out, you should have given her the win on that one. She wouldn't have had a whole lot more to bitch about after that. 5 days into Trump's presidency, James joined a public protest against the Trump administration. 6.5 months into the Trump administration, James was was partaking in die-in protests using the hashtag resist. Well, because, Trump was just, orange man bad. 8.5 months into the term, accused Trump of blatant disregard for human life. 10 months into the term, James announced, "I've been leading the resistance against Donald Trump in New York City and will only continue to do so in every possible way." So, that's just a few of the things from the list of Letitta James that some of her things that she had against Donald Trump. This, like I said, the suit was filed on behalf of Donald Trump. That's just a few of them. So we're probably looking at a couple more parts. I think there was some of them I combined, but there was about 40 some different statements or facts that they introduced in this complaint. So hopefully we can do it in maybe like 3 parts. Like I said, I don't want this to be about look what they're doing to poor Donald Trump. I just want to look at it from the legal system, and if you're going to get a fair shake from this woman. Not that I think you get a fair one from Dana Nessel in Michigan, but we're not talking about Dana Nessel. She's basically, well, that's it. So, part 2 coming up sometime later. Treasure Troller saying aloha and good day.